Hi, I'm CC. Here we have a paint supply system in CrownCAD. It's missing a steel structure, and that's where we're going to start. Let's create a sketch. Use the structural member command to create the weldment where path and profile settings can be specified. Draw a sketch at the appropriate position to add the required structural members. Use the trim or extend command to trim the ends into the desired shape. Add other structural members. Angle iron. Use the 3D sketch to define the positions of the 4 feet. Add square tubes. Next, we're going to design the rail. Create a plane at the appropriate position and draw both 2D and 3D sketches on it. Use the structural member command and choose the round tube to create the rail. Use the mirror command to create the rail on the opposite side. Apply the same method to create the staircase, from planes to sketches and structural members. Use the trim or extend command to trim the corners. The sketch supports patterns, and the extruded boss or base supports multi-body technology. Use the swept boss or base to create the handrail. The steel structure is complete. Finally, insert the steel structure into the assembly and mate it. That's all! Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.